Hey Hair Lounge community, my name is Angelina and this is the Hair Lounge. Today we're going to talk about those cool new trendy magnetic eyelashes. I wanted to show you how to use them, so stay tuned and we'll get right into it. Okay, let's talk all about those magnetic lashes. So I have a client that introduced me to Tori Belle, and she swears by these eyelashes. She says that they're super easy to apply. They're nice because it is magnetic and you're able to kind of adjust and reapply if you don't get it right exactly the first time, which is one of the things that I hate about glue on false eyelashes. Once you stick them on, you're kind of set. You can't really do anything about it unless you're pulling all that glue off and reapplying. So I have tried this once before to apply them. It was on date night, Valentine's Day with my hubby. But since then I haven't really done anything, and it was just a quick, just put them up to my eyelashes. I never trimmed them or anything. I did just kind of attempt to try it to see how easy it was. And I wanted to hop on here and show you guys kind of what I think of them and show you the ease of them. So the way that these things attach is this eyeliner. This one is in black. They have a couple different colors that you can choose from, but I normally wear black, and so this is the one that I chose. I do have some light mascara on and some eyeliner on already, but I'm just gonna put this over the top and hopefully that still works. I have not trimmed these yet. So they have the actual lashes and then they have the anchor points. So this is what the actual lash looks like. And let's get a little closer. You can see that there's magnets on that strip. It's kind of those shiny pieces. And I'm going to cut in between those. So I noticed when I attempted to apply them to my actual eyelid that they were just a tiny bit too long. So you want to make sure when you're cutting them, you are cutting right between those magnets. So since it's magnetic, it's sticking to my metal scissors, and we're just gonna pull that guy out. So you have to stir this eyeliner. So take it out and mix it all in. Don't forget that at all during this video, if you're liking it, hit that thumbs up button, give me a like. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. So stirring, and then it comes out and it has a fairly thin brush on the end. So you want to get this as close to your lash line as possible. So let's see if I can actually do this on camera. Okay. And it says you want to do at least 2 coats. And then in between the coats, you want to go ahead and let it dry. About 30 seconds for the first coat and at least 2 minutes on the second. You don't want to apply the lash whenever it is still wet. So if you have any questions about this product, I'll link my client's name down below and you can go to her Instagram page and check her out. But I haven't used any other types of magnetic eyelashes. This is the first one that I use, and I've told you before I use those false eyelashes. And I think these ones are going to be a lot easier for, quick application. You can use them a number of times over and over again, as long as you're cleaning them very well. And it's kind of fun because if you wear eyeliner, you can use this, but if I remember correctly, they also have magnetic mascara. So if you're not an eyeliner girl, you can still use their mascara and still use the actual eyelashes. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and apply our second coat. Again, trying to get as close as we can to that lash line. And if at all you guys have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button right now. You definitely don't want to miss out on all my new videos because we are going to start pumping these out pretty quickly and I don't want you to miss out. Okay, so now we have to let this one sit and dry for 2 minutes, so stay tuned. So it's been about 2 minutes. Comes with this really cool plastic tweezer gripper thing, and since these are magnetic, metal will stick to them, so it's nice that they have these plastic options. So it says you need to start on the inner corner of your eye, and don't forget, make sure that that liner is dry before you actually apply the lash to your lid. So grab it onto it, and applying that to the inner corner of my eyelid. Okay, just like that. What do you guys think? So I haven't put the anchors on yet, and the anchors are gonna hold those edges down. As you can see, you can kind of see it poking up just a tiny bit on that inner corner, and then that other side just a little bit, not bad. But the anchors are gonna help anchor that onto your actual eyelash. These anchors are just very, very, very tiny individual lashes. You can really feel it grabbing that edge. Okay, and now we're gonna do this other side. And just like that. Pretty easy. What do you guys think? You can kind of see the difference of eye to eye. And they feel like they're pretty secure on there, which is good. Like I said, this is the second time that I've applied these, and definitely easier the second time around. So I'd imagine the more you do them, the easier it'll get. Definitely, you can tell a difference. So these ones, I believe, are called their date night eyelashes. And so they're, you know, a little bit more bold, kind of showy, but you can see the difference. It really makes my eye color pop, which is kind of fun. And I love the fact that you're able to use these more than once. So you get a lot of uses out of them without the hassle of the glue. Well, if you guys like these lashes, leave me a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up, like this video. And if you have any ideas of upcoming videos that you want to see, please leave me a comment down below and we will try to produce what you guys want to see. And we will see you guys all next time. Bye.